Welcome to Rise with ASAD. Today's postcard is about CSS for beginners. CSS stands for Central Superior Services. It's Pakistan's toughest exam to join the bureaucracy. Like DMG, Foreign Service, or Police, successful candidates get the title of CSP2. There are 12 papers in total, 6 compulsory and 6 optional. The compulsory papers include English essay, English précis, and composition. General science and ability, current affairs, Pakistan affairs, and Islamic studies, or a comparative study of major religions, that covers 600 marks. For optional subjects, you choose the other 600 marks from 7 defined groups. Group 1. Select one subject of 200 marks. Accountancy and auditing. Economics, computer science, political science, international relations. Group 2. Select one subject of 200 marks. O are 2 subjects of 100 marks. Physics. Chemistry, both are 200 marks each. Or you can choose from applied mathematics, pure mathematics, statistics, and geology. These are 100 marks each. Group 3. Select one subject of 100 marks only. Business administration, public administration, governance, and public policies, town planning, and urban management. Group 4. Select one subject of 100 marks only. History of Pakistan and India, Islamic history and culture, British history, European history, history of the USA. Group 5. Select one subject of 100 marks only. Gender studies, environmental science, agriculture and forestry, botany, zoology, English literature, Urdu literature. Group 6. Select one subject of 100 marks only. Law, constitutional law, international law, Muslim law and jurisprudence, mercantile law, criminology, philosophy. Group 7. Select one subject of 100 marks only. Journalism and mass communication, psychology, geography, sociology, anthropology, Punjabi, Sindhi Pashto, Balochi, Persian, Arabic. Choose your optional subjects carefully to total exactly 600 marks. Balance your academic background, interest, and scoring trends. You need a clear study timeline. Start with 3 months of concept building, then 3 months for answer writing practice. Finally, spend the last few months on revision and timed mock tests. Remember, consistency beats cramming. English writing can make or break your CSS result. Work daily on grammar, sentence structure, and essay writing. Also read newspapers like Dawn for general knowledge, current affairs, and vocabulary building. Most toppers didn't pass CSS on their first try, but what made them succeed was discipline, patience, and smart strategy. Believe in your journey and don't give up when it gets tough. Follow for more CSS tips, smart strategies, and real-life motivational stories from toppers. Your journey starts now. Make it count.